Hi, my name's Bianca.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we're Guilford
Nighthawks.
Cacaw.
We're here to talk about the ways that our school saves energy.
The greenness of Guilford County.
Bianca, why
Recycle.
don't you tell them some ways that we save energy?
We use solar powered.
See, amigo, we use solar power. Anna, why don't you tell them some ways? Yeah, what do you got?
We have bike racks for bikes, so we don't have to, drive.
See, senorita, we also have a thingy where we recycle water that we've already used. It's really, really good for the environment.
Hey Sarah, don't forget we recycle paper too.
Right, Bianca. Good job, amigo.
Sunglasses on.
In the theater, the door of this very tent. Here at Green MC.
Be like FBI.
We're the green police.
Oh,
Protect the earth, or else.
No littering.